Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Zillow not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Zillow app and then tap on it. Now on tapping it, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and try again. If for some reason if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and on the search bar type in Zillow, and once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.